Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Ruba Jahan Tisha. I came from Magura. Today I would like to say something about success is a journey, not a destination. Success is not something we race and stop. It is a continuous journey of growth, learning and improvement. Many people think success means becoming famous or rich, but true success is found in the small steps we take every day. It is about hardworking, learning from failures, and never give up. Life is not a race to a final goal. It is a path where we go through every challenge. Each day, each effort, and each lesson is a part of our success. Even when we fail, we are still on the journey, and that journey make us wiser and stronger. So don't wait for success, passion, and perseverance because in the end, success is not just about where you race, but how you grow while getting there. Thank you very much for listening me.